Do you know you can actually make $500 on each video you upload on your YouTube channel? But that depends on your niche. And that brings us to a question: what kind of YouTube channel makes the most money? This is a very, very important question you need to ask yourself before starting up a YouTube channel. Because there are channels that make a lot of money from their content, and there are channels that also struggle to make profit from every content they create. So choosing a niche is very, very important before starting up a YouTube channel, especially if you want to make money from it and earn in dollars. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you the best profitable niches with high CPM. So you need to consider this niche before starting up your YouTube channel. That's if you want to build a business from it. So if you just see me, my name is Chidi, and you're welcome to this channel. On this channel, I talk all things money. So if you would love to be a part of this community, ensure you hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and then ring your notification bell on so you wouldn't miss out on any of our valuable content. And you know what, I would love you to drop your comments right in the comment section. Drop your question, drop your thoughts right there, and I'll be there to answer those questions as soon as I can. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Now, starting a YouTube channel is one of the easiest way you can earn in dollars. You just set up your camera, you start sharing your knowledge with the world. It may not really be that easy to start earning on YouTube because there are a number of YouTube channels here that still struggle to make profit from their channel, all right? Even when they have thousands of subscribers. And there are others that also earn thousands of dollars on a monthly basis, and the difference is in the kind of content they are creating on their channel. It's okay for you to say you want to follow your passion, those things that you love doing are the things you want to put up on your channel. But then you need to check if this passion of yours is a profitable one, all right? So you don't get frustrated along the line, all right? Because you're not getting the required results that you want. On YouTube, there is what we call CPM and RPM. I'll explain. CPM simply means cost per mile. So this is how much advertisers are willing to pay per thousand views on your video. I'm sure you watched one before seeing this video, right? So this is how YouTube makes their money. And another term is RPM, which means revenue per mile. Revenue per mile. Now this is the amount you earn on each video per thousand views, right? Say like advertisers pay $10, for instance, on per thousand views placed on your video. All right, YouTube will take their own cuts. Say like they take $3 out of that $10. The remaining $7 allocated to you is called RPM. You get it now? So I'm going to tell you the average CPM for different niches, and these are the best profitable niches on YouTube. So we're going to start in ascending order from the bottom to the top, and we're starting with number 7. So number 7 here we have lifestyle. Lifestyle. This is a general kind of content you see on YouTube on a daily basis. You can see them on Facebook, you can see them on Instagram, just all the social media platform. You can see lifestyles there. So this involves basically people showing out their lifestyle, what they do at home, when they are cooking, when they dress up for an occasion, when they do their house chores, when their baby are around, things like that. This is called lifestyle. And their CPM is around $3.47. So this kind of content attracts young people who love to be entertained, who love to see how you dress for an occasion, how you take care of your home, how you dress, how you do your makeup, lifestyle in general. But if you want to start creating this kind of content, I would advise you build a following on other social media platform, all right? Because YouTube is a search engine where people come to ask questions. And people come to ask questions on how to do this, how to do that. So I advise you build followers on other social media platforms so you can drive traffic from there to your YouTube channel. At least it will help you to grow fast and then get more subscribers quickly. Hope you understand what I mean. And number 6, we have ASMR. This has to do with sounds in general. Those kind of channel that helps you to fall asleep, those channel that help you to fix depression, that helps you to feel relaxed. These are the kind of channel we refer to as ASMR. Some of these channels has rain sounds that make you feel like it's raining and you just want to, sleep. So this is basically what this channel does. Okay, so some of these channels also have this music sounds that helps you relax, fix your depression, and then you just suddenly fall asleep. Okay, this is one of the best profitable niches on YouTube. So if you love music and you can put sounds together, you can actually go for such kind of niche because it's one of the best profitable channels you can find on YouTube. On number 5, we have tech, cars, and gadgets. What do? They review tech products. These people review things like car, phones, computer, laptops. So this is a very capital intensive kind of niche. So if you don't have money to actually run such kind of niche, permit me to say no near am, because it is very very capital intensive, because you need to buy those gadgets and test run it, you use it, you come to tell people this is how it is like this, it is like that, and then people will know what this gadget or tech product is about or how it runs before they can now go ahead to purchase theirs. Say like a phone is newly launched, these people buy this phone, they review it and tell people, this phone is good, it is like this, it is very easy to use, the battery lasts for a very long time. This is basically what they do. That's why I said it is very very capital intensive. But then another fascinating thing about these people is that they attract brands and company. People want to collaborate with them, and then they talk about their products for them on their channel, right? But then it is more money to their pockets because they pay very high. And again, this kind of niche attracts views and subscribers because people tend to search for such kind of channel on YouTube before they can go ahead to buy their own gadgets. And their CPM is around $7.3. It is quite high. All right, so if you can afford what it takes to start up such kind of niche, you can go ahead and start it up. It is one of the best profitable niche you can find on YouTube. Another best profitable niche, number 4, we have here is education. So here, if you know how to teach anything at all, whether you're teaching adults, you're teaching children, you can come over to YouTube and do it here. All right, you're going to make a profitable YouTube channel. Whatever it is you're teaching in school, whether you're teaching maths, English, phonics, chemistry, physics, just come over here and do same thing. These are things that easily goes viral on YouTube, and not just going viral, you're going to make good money from it because the CPM is quite high, and you can help children or adults scale in their exams and beyond. The CPM is around $9.89. This is quite high. So education content is one of the best profitable niches you can find on YouTube that you need to consider and then start up your channel immediately. And number 3 best profitable channel, we have personal finance. This is a kind of channel that helps people manage their finance. It helps them to keep and invest their money wisely, right? It also helps them to learn how to save money for future use. So such kind of channel talks about investing in crypto, stock trading, forex trading, and investment platforms. So you can actually start up such kind of channel and start teaching people how they can, invest and make good profit. You start teaching people how they can save their money profitably and, stuffs like that. So these are things that are involved in personal finance. And this kind of niche has a crazy CPM. It has a CPM of $12. $12. So this is a great topic for you to start creating content around. And guess what? You attract brands like Piggyverse, crypto platform, and all this investment platform who will reach you for collaboration, and that means more money to your pockets because this kind of people pays high for you to, collaborate with them. And number 2, we have digital marketing. This deals with helping people sell and market their products on different social media platforms. So you can niche down what you want to talk about because Digital marketing is quite broad. You may decide to talk about social media marketing, you may decide to talk about Google advertising and the rest. Digital marketing is one of the highest, profitable niche you can find on YouTube. And guess what their CPM is? $12.52. $12.52, which is very, very high. So if you have a knowledge about digital marketing, you can just, start creating content around it, and you will sure get viewers and subscribers to, help you scale your channel quickly. And the number one most profitable niche you can find on YouTube. I'm super, super excited about this one. Hope you're excited to hear this very one. But before I mention the number one, I hope you've got value so far. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, ensure to smash that subscribe button immediately. Give this video a thumbs up and then drop your comment right in the comment section. I would love to see the niche you would love to go for, right? And I'll be there to assist you on your questions. So do that right away. So number one best profitable niche you can find on YouTube is make money online niche. A lot of people are looking for how to make money online. They are looking for how to supplement their 9 to 5 paycheck on a daily basis. People are typing and asking questions. How do I make money from home? How do I make money with my phone? How do I make money as a student? How do I make money online? This question keeps popping up every single day, and their CPM is around $13.52, which is very high. And you know what? Advertisers are even willing to pay more, for placing ads on such kind of, videos on YouTube. So if your channel is around the make money niche, you are likely to go viral, and get more subscribers and start earning in dollars. And you know what? You can also attract brands, for collaboration, and that means more money for yourself. So now I've told you the best profitable niches that has high CPM. If you ask me, I'll go for the first five because these are the ones that has the most profitable, CPM. And also try to align your passion around this profitable niche if you really want to make profits from your YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you got value. Until my next video, have a great time.